Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. This is the NUDESTIX Euphorics palette. It's the festival palette. First of all, the design is very cool, very modern. Has some art on there that someone did. Actually, her tag is down here. It also comes with the Euphorics Nudie's Glow. I have no makeup on today. I'm about to go swimming, so I thought I would do a quick video on this before I forget because it's a really awesome palette and I just wanted to show you guys. So let's get started. Before I open the palette, let's do the Nudie's Glow. Okay, the all over face highlight color right here. So with this stick, super shiny, almost like holographic, and the good thing about this is it would match a lot of skin tones. So not just fair, but also dark skin tones as well. Other side has a brush, flat brush, which is great for blending. What I like about this is that it's buildable coverage. So you can do a little bit. You can see that right there. Or you can keep adding it on and just go bold. I mean, it is a festival's palette, so something like Coachella, this would be great. I just added some more. As you can see right here. It looks awesome. Let's open up the palette. It also has a mirror right here on the side. So that's a really good benefit. And inside is all of the goodies. Okay, so first off we have the NUDESTIX lip glaze. That's what I call it. I don't know if it's glass glaze. I don't know, but that's what I call it. And it's in the color La Body. And it also is pretty shimmery. You guys see that there? Has more of a pink sparkle to it, whereas the other one is more of like a copper, I would say. This color would be really good over top of a lipstick that you already have because it is more translucent. It has the shimmer to it, but it has a translucent to it. See that? Okay, now you have the 4 magnetic luminous eye colors and the 1 magnetic matte lip color. I'll get started with the lip color. So as you can see, this is a really dark lip color and it's matte, so this could kind of go with any type of outfit really. First off, I want to say that I love these eye colors, every single one of them. I love the shimmer, I love the colors. They're not neon colors or anything like that. They're just very subtle colors that you could wear on a day-to-day basis. You could also wear them to a festival because of the shimmer, so very versatile. I will get started with, just seeing I'm running out of room here. Let's do them right along here, okay? So this one is Angel. See, really like a neutral color. Next is Copper Foil. Right here. And it really is like a copper color. Here's Rustic Grotto. More of a brown color. And last but not least is Doo Wop. And this is a beautiful gold color. I like this one. Right here. Can get a little bit more of a better look if I zoom in doing this. So lip color, lip glaze, the beautiful eye colors, and the super shiny all over highlighter. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the festival palette. Stay tuned, subscribe for more beauty.